So my end of year project is an interactive narrative that focuses on murder ballads, so darker folk music, country music that deals with crimes and essentially spinning them into a story that the players can interact with. The whole game is the main character collecting clues, both visual and audio. So primarily the technology I'm using is Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop to collage images that I find. A little bit of AI, Adobe introduced generative AI. I've been using that slightly to expand any images or just like fix a few things. Like I needed a bush in one of my photos for my thesis. I was able to put that in. Definitely one highlight is I'm also doing the branding for the show, so all the promotional branding for Show LTU 2024. Really proud of the jersey that I was able to create for LTU Sports. We were actually recognized as one of the top jerseys that came out this year.